Welcome back mga kayunik. Ang episode na ito ay tungkol sa paggawa ng foam struck. Ang foam struck na ito ay kadalasan ginagamit ng mga guro lagyan ng tulad ng form 1, form 2, form 3, 8, 9, 10. At sa mga may-ari ng mga form struck, may shoutout tayo sa huling bahagi ng video. Sa gusto mo pagawa, tingnan nyo lang sa description sa bandang baba at chat lang kayo. Mga kayo no, bakbaka na!
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The Past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago. And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves you so bad that the truth made the brag. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, 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 la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, oh. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, 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 la 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, oh. blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm checking next year. He got the venom, a tangible weapon. Second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from planet to blessing. I'll leave an impression and take it. Just feel no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, for progression. Could try to play, never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Hands stained from the people who me. Muddy hands break through the chains, so free me. People like shit, feet hurt it easy. Fast asleep when they sleep. Better stand tall, ready for me. When they try to change, no free me. So
Tapos na mga kayonik, sana mayroon tayong natutunan kahit kunti. Kung gusto nyo manood sa aking videos, explore lang sa aking YouTube channel at marami kayong matutunan doon. Shoutout nga pala sa mga may-ari ng mga forms rack, si Mami Hernandez, si Ma'am Gina Villamor, si Ma'am Jerlyn Napuni, at saka shoutout ni Ma'am Filipina Stamo, si Ma'am Ludi Rosel, shoutout ni Ma'am Lala Magabago, si Ma'am Salvi Bilutindos, si Ma'am Kitin Ganaban, o si Sir Louis Pagasian, o si Ma'am Honey Marie. Shout out din sa mga may-ari ng phone truck sa mga iba't ibang stall. Tulad ni Ma'am Rupisa Ligunas mula sa Quezon National High School. Shout out kay Sir Giovanni Pirquito, Ma'am Rizalina Kiano, at ang kanyang mga kasamang guro sa Makapari National High School. Ma'am Papsi Oblina Alser mula sa Paano National High School. Ma'am Elsa Albacino mula sa Managop. Ma'am Rubigen Magaday at ang kanyang mga kasamang guro na nag-untir sa Pontrack mula sa Malinaw National High School. Tapos na ang shoutout. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-share, mag-like, mag-comment, at mag-subscribe. At pinutin lang ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod na mga videos. Kayo, Nick, hanggang sa susunod na mga videos. Maraming salamat po! At magandang hapon, mga Kayo Nick Question. Bye-bye!